Yeah, from a high level perspective, our roadmap is divided into three axes. The first one is to reduce our working capital cycle and achieve operational efficiency by digitizing internal and external trade operations. The second one is to integrate and create product differentiation in our market, and to launch many initiatives on that level. And the third one is to build and easy doing business within our partners. And this is the three pillars that we are working on to bring to our sector a full picture of the digitalization's journey within OCP.
So through that, from 2020 to 2023, as I said, there was like $1.3 billion of transactions, of trade transactions that has been executed in the blockchain platform. And the benefit that we got were quite interesting and very important. So one of the main benefits that we got is that we gained on average 11 days in terms of treasury opportunity costs. So that was very beneficial to
Yeah.
OCP's treasury. So and we could have just we'd be very happy with this, especially this benefit. Again, there was like an 80% reduction, massive reduction in documents handling time through a blockchain. There was also a trust that has been reinforced through, the main benefits of using blockchain technology, which is uh, security and the security and the confidentiality of the platform, because it's using a very strong and strict technology when using blockchain. And of course, it's our user experience, because we managed to learn a lot from our experience with DLT, and also it helped us to structure our trade process and manage it in a smoother way, I'd say.
Yeah, I just want to add something important here is the role of the confirming bank in this process. And I want just to thank TDB for their vision and their support to us as a team to
Absolutely.
follow up on the transactions and to help us succeed in this project. So this is the first, and also our notifying bank who are BCP and Tijeri, they were open to listen to our needs, and they were leading with us this journey to improve the main objectives behind this project. And one more thing, as Khalid mentions, the most important thing is to work together to reduce the trade finance gaps that we are facing in Africa in general. And we are aware that those kinds of innovations and projects could help us to tackle the trade finance gap in Africa. Yeah, I think the first thing is to try just to choose a small use case first. So we were aware that those kinds of projects are big to tackle, and the best way to do things is just to start with a small business case, to validate it internally, and then to move to speed up the process then internally, so that you can have a huge project to handle after. So this is the first, I think, advice that we maybe we could share on that project. So use a small use case and then duplicate it and make it make it bigger for your internal team. Second thing is the team. It's important to start this project as a team. And within OCP, we had the chance to work hand on hand within the commercial teams, the digital office, who help us a lot in all the in the project at a high level, but also in an operational way to tackle all the security, the data transparency, the data confidentiality, etc. And also with the legal team to study the framework in a legal perspective, and to see all the regulatory compliance in terms of what was being done within this project. So I think the budget is the last thing. It's not really the point, but one more time, just keep in mind that it's feasible. It's not impossible. It's a journey, and we should start now. If I can summarize the experience.